Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C260 running on a media player. Basically, you're going to stream the video to a PC, right? Or to a MacBook. It doesn't matter. As long as you have VLC software, it's going to work. So here on the Tapo C260, you just need to come to the advanced settings, just right here. And from here, you can create an account. So it's a local account, okay? It's going to use the RTSP protocol, the real-time stream protocol. Just click here to create an account. Here you can read everything about RTSP. Then just hit here, understand, and agree to continue. And here you can just create a username. Let's just put here Tapo and admin, whatever you want to insert here as the username, okay? And then the password, let me just make one simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, create. And just come back here and go to the network settings and enable static IP, okay? So that way it doesn't change. This IP is given by the router, right? So now I'm gonna make it static so it doesn't change. Then I come here to the VLC player and I just open it. In here on File, Open Network, you're just gonna enter this URL, RTSP // in the camera's IP. In this case here is 10.0.0.119. It's going to be different for your camera, of course, and then /stream1. Just make sure as well that you have the computer in the same network here, that you have your phone. You see that I have this Wi-Fi, that's my router, and here on the camera, just make sure I come here and I check that I have the Wi-Fi. I'm connecting my cell phone to this Wi-Fi, but the camera itself is connecting to a different one. Doesn't matter. Let me just come back here to the camera, save here, and then come back to the main window here and see the network, okay? The network, it's the same one that I have on my computer, okay? Basically reading the camera information. And then I just hit here, open, and I can just insert the username and password. Let me just insert here, Tapo admin, that's the username. And then the password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I hit OK. Wait for it to load. And there we go. It's working. And it works also with audio. You see that I just mute the audio here because I have audio loop here. It's basically working, streaming directly from the camera to my computer via VLC using the RTSP protocol. And just remember that I cannot control the camera. I cannot use the PT feature because RTSP is just for streaming, right? It's a real-time streaming protocol and it works pretty fine, right? So that's the way you can have your Tapo C260 streaming to your computer via VLC and using the RTSP protocol. I hope that helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and give your thumbs up. I see you in the next one.